Things that you should put in a drawer and or a folder, whether that's be electronic or in a physical drawer, this list of things. So all your bank accounts, the institution, the account names, numbers, who's authorised to use the account, all your assets. So list all the assets, how they're owned. It'd be useful for yourself as well to understand exactly how all your assets are owned, whether it's an individual, joint names, a company on trust. All your superannuation funds, including who the beneficiary is, list those details along with your account numbers and address that's stored there. Your life insurance details, both inside and outside of super. If it's outside of super, then who is insured, who owns the policy, the contact details for the company. All your health insurance, and all the similar details above. A copy of your will, and list who the executors are, and both the preliminary and the, other executors if that person is not available. State the location of the will, so you might have a copy of the will in that love drawer, but make sure that you also specify where the copy is, and generally you would hold a copy with your lawyer or in a safety deposit box. Powers of attorney, all the different types of enduring, general, medical, and depending on which state you're in, you might need 2 or 3 of those documents. Ensure that you've got a copy of those in this location. All your other important documents like deeds, birth certificates, titles, and then there's more your funeral details, how you would like your funeral service run, whether you're involved with a particular church, which funeral home, who you want involved with the service, any particular professionals you want involved, the location of the service, handling of remains, do you want your ashes distributed over the sea, all those types of questions, and then other instructions for your funeral, whether what particular music or food, etc. It's great if you can include as much information in that as possible. It really helps those looking after your situation. And then the last one is, if you've got any letters or videos or other inspirational messages that you have for others, let people know who they are for and where they are located. Safety deposit box, the location of it, access keys and the contents, passwords or combination log, so any websites or debit card access, email details including a username, password and URL. Pretty hard to keep tabs on these days, but if you can include a list, and also your tax returns for the last 3 years, it just enables things to be administered a lot more efficiently and with a lot less stress. So include all those things in there, but treat it as a bit of a checklist as well. So wills, powers of attorney. One thing, and we talked about beneficiaries of your super funds. As the question mentioned earlier, it is important to have a beneficiary set up with your super fund. The scenarios you can have are no beneficiary, and then the trustee has to work out, so Christian Super has to work out where to direct your super. The next one is a preferred nomination, so you can specify online, for example, who your preferred beneficiary is, but it's not binding. So then the next level is setting up a binding nomination and specifying who that can go to. Another type of nomination is a reversionary beneficiary. That's when you're in the pension phase of super where you're drawing money from it. You can set up a reversionary beneficiary so that in the event of your death, your pension will revert to somebody else automatically. So there won't be any other process that needs to go through. It will automatically revert to that other person. So including that in the love drawer is important as well.